Morphemes are the smallest meaningful word parts. So just like phonemes are the smallest units of sound, morphemes are the smallest units of meaning. And these do reoccur across lots and lots of words. So they're very useful for kids to know. And they can be, they can help with decoding because they can be, they can function as those chunks, like as a one syllable chunk, but they can also be multisyllabic. For example, semi and auto are morphemes that are multiple syllables. So that allows kids to recognize and break words into bigger chunks and recognize them more quickly. And the great thing about morphemes is that they have meaning associated with them, so that they help kids decode words and give them a clue what they might mean. There was a recent study by Dawson and colleagues that looked at informational and literary texts for kids that were written for kids at different grade bands. And for kids in this grade band, like the 3 to 5th grade band, the thing that really stood out was that informational texts were chock full of these derivational morphemes that sort of change one word into another word. So popular into population, constitute into constitution. There are just all kinds of words that kids need to be reading in their social studies and science texts that have these derived suffixes. And so if they learn these prefixes, it's going to give them a lot of support for those challenging texts. And what we know is that from research is that instruction that includes morphology improves multisyllabic word recognition and vocabulary and comprehension for kids at these grade levels.